Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, June 5th, 2020. You have made it to your last official day of school. So this is pretty exciting. After today, there'll be no more new learning. There'll be a few of you that I get to meet with, and we're going to do some fun games and stuff. But you guys are done. You did it. I'm so proud of you. Parents, I'm very proud that you were able to stick with this and help us and help the teachers. This has been amazing. I can't believe the work that you guys have handed in, the videos, the pictures, all the updates that I get from you guys. It means a lot to me. It means a lot more than you even could think. It means that you guys are doing your work. It means that you're having fun with it. You're learning new things. You're trying new things. I knew none of this was going to be perfect, and I was hoping it was only going to be 3 weeks, maybe 6 weeks, and here we are. We finished the entire year this way since March, which is just crazy. I'm so proud of you guys. I really, really am. And I look forward to our last Zoom. I'm actually going to make it for noon today. I'm going to send out that invitation to your parents as well as with this video. I want to make it at noon because that's going to be, I have a few meetings in the morning, and I just want to make sure everyone, usually at noon, it's a good time to come in and eat lunch if you're outside playing or you finished your work. It's kind of a good time. So I'm hoping noon works for most of you. I want you thinking about your favorite thing from first grade before remote learning and your favorite thing about remote learning. So try to think of two things, your favorite before and your favorite after. And we'll be sharing those. And you'll be dropping your packets off next week. And then the following week, you'll get to come by and Mrs. Lee's going to give you a big bag, and it's going to have a super cool surprise. And it's also going to have your headphones, your pencil boxes. Mr. Chelios brought your final art project back to me, to the classroom, I should say. I have a project to put in there that you guys had hanging up on the back bulletin board. So there's a lot of cool things happening, and I'm hoping I get to see each and every one of you in about a week and a half when I'm handing you those packets. And you guys get to hand your packets in on Monday, so I can kind of check through those. I'm super excited to see you guys. I know I saw most of you when I drove by your house, but it'll be nice to be able to say hi and have a quick conversation as you're driving through to pick up your stuff in a few weeks, or in about 2 weeks. So as far as today, you have it's a really fun Magic E board game. Everyone's game looks a little different because I think there's like 7 different versions, so I printed a bunch of them off. So that's something for you. And I always recommend, if you have a game, you can slide it in a plastic sleeve at home, and it's almost like laminating it, and then you can save it. And this is a game you can play a couple times a week over the summer or whatever you want, but I think it's a good game, and it's filled with Magic E words. You can use any type of, you guys know what we'd use. You grab a dice from any other game. You can also use game pieces from any other game, 2 beans or 2 beads or whatever you have at home to use for playing pieces. Go ahead and do that. You guys know at school sometimes I give you the little erasers. So all kinds of fun things. So as far as that's concerned, that's what you're doing today for foundations. And for math, you're taking your clock test. So go ahead and take your telling the time test, and that's all you guys have to do. If you want to do your writing before we Zoom, and you want to write about your favorite thing before remote learning and your favorite thing during remote learning, that would be great because it'll be fresh on your head, but you don't have to. You can share it with me as well. So I already sent an email to your parents telling you what I need and what I don't need. Now, I do not need that math workbook back, which is pretty cool. So you can use that math workbook throughout the summer and kind of look at some of the things we either covered in a different way in class, because some of that stuff we covered more of a hands-on approach. And you can also be looking at it for things that we just didn't get to. So that will be kind of cool to see what you'll be learning in 2nd grade, maybe get a little head start on some of that stuff. So I'm super excited to see you guys this afternoon at noon. Have fun with your Magic E game. The test shouldn't take you that long. And if you want to write about your favorite part of 1st grade before remote learning and after remote learning, so you're ready for our Google Hangout, that's totally fine. So I'm super excited to see you guys this afternoon at 12, and I'm excited to see you in about a week and a half at your pickup. And like I said, I'll have all your stuff in there and a pretty cool surprise. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye, guys.